Hey guys, what's up and welcome to today's video. So we're going to be doing another Halloween look. Yay for me for being on this roll of doing Halloween looks back to back. But we're going to be doing a she-devil. So it's not going to be our, normal devil that everybody sees. It's going to be a blue devil, which actually I got this inspiration from Figueroa. I think she did a she-devil last Halloween. But I'm not going to do it the way she does it. I'm actually going to do it a different way. So yeah. And I have two different contacts in case you can see that this is green. And that's just brown, my regular color, just a clear one. So let's get right into this video. So we're going to start with the liquid latex. I actually just bought new liquid latex from Spirit Halloween. I've actually never used liquid latex from them before, so I hope it works. I always use the Mayron one. The contact feels like it's going to come out of my eye. There's like this film on top. Ew, it's like gunky. It was like cheese. It's like a dried up layer of liquid latex. Disgusting. Oh, it smells like liquid latex, yep. Without a doubt. So I'm gonna do, and it came with a sponge. So I'm gonna do is when I take the liquid latex, let's make it more liquided. It's way more liquid than the one that I have. Oh, let me put a primer on actually, just to protect my skin. But this will fill up my pores, so I'm not filling up my pores with liquid latex. Alright, so we're gonna take your liquid latex, pour some out. Wow, this is wicked watery. Wow, that's wicked watery compared to mine. I'm literally applying it to this whole side of my face. So now I have a whole bunch of cotton balls. I'm gonna start pulling them apart and applying them on my liquid latex. I'm gonna add another layer of liquid latex on top. We're not going to be able to use a sponge for that, but it's okay because I'm up here. So I have this chopstick. Dump my liquid latex inside. Chopstick inside the liquid latex. Ooh. Oh god. I don't love your fingers. Alright, so that's all we're going to do right now for liquid latex. I bought these horns, so I'm just going to apply that with some spirit gum, which I just got from Spirit Halloween. That's why I left this space right here in the middle. If you use spirit gum, make sure you get spirit gum remover because this stuff is so hard to take off. I don't know firsthand, but I've heard a lot about it. This is actually my first time using spirit gum. I'm just gonna try cutting this part off. I guess I should have glued down my eyebrow first. Too late now. I don't have a little spatula thing. I'm just gonna use my nail. I'm gonna use my blow dryer just to dry that. Just gonna take some concealer and just cover it up. And I'm just gonna set it. What I'm gonna do now is take some black face paint with my sponge. I'm just gonna apply it to where, like, I would contour basically. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the blue. Oh, and I'm using my Snazaroo face paint palette. I don't know if I said that in the beginning. It's water activated, so you just spray it with some water. And I'm actually gonna go over that black just lightly. I wanted the black there, but I didn't want it super prominent. Just mixing the black and the blue together. What I'm gonna do now is take a small brush and wet more of the blue. I'm just gonna go into all those spots that I can't get into with my beauty blender. Okay. I look like that guy. What's that guy's name? That blue guy. He's from like the X-Men movies, I think. Well, I'm a devil, okay? So we're gonna take black and fill in this eye. Just added black and blue around my eye just to blend it out. So this side of my face is done. I'm gonna add like blood around the horns. I think I'll do that later. So I'm gonna do this side of my face, but I'm just gonna do regular makeup. So I will see you guys in a second. I can't move this side of my face. Alright, so this side of my face is all set with my makeup. I'm just gonna add the blood around the horns and then just a little color spray paint to my hair. And that's it. Just gonna use the other side of this chopstick since it's right here. We're using the Ben Nye Fresh Scalp Blood. So now I'm just gonna add some colored hair stuff to my hair. Temporary hair color, the Colorista one in blue, obviously. Am I forgetting anything? I always forget something every time I finish filming. I'm like, I forgot to do this. Alright guys, I think that's all I have for you guys today. If you liked this video, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and also make sure you subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on post notifications so you never miss a post. Anyways, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.